Hello friends, welcome to Science Fact Educations. This question is related to the structure of sodium chloride, and we have to analyze the structure of sodium chloride if the position of sodium plus and Cl minus are interchanged. Then what will be the results of final structure? It will be unchanged, or it may be changes to 8:8 from 6:6 with respect to their coordination number. C option is given additivity of ionic radii for A is lost, and D is given none of these. To solve this problem, we have to draw the structures of sodium chloride, and for that you should know the position of sodium plus ions and chloride ion Cl minus ions. In NaCl, Cl minus, it is present in CCP lattice, and we know that the unit cell of CCP lattice is nothing but FCC, and the position of sodium plus, that is all sodium plus ions are present at all octahedral void of FCC unit cell. So on the basis of this information, we can draw a diagram, that is let's suppose that Cl minus, it is represented by yellow sphere. So Cl minus present in CCP lattice, that is why all corner atoms contains Cl minus, and all face center atoms or ions, that will be Cl minus. Back face center, front face center, back face center, front face center, and sodium plus this ion present at all octahedral void. Let's suppose that this ion is represented by blue sphere. So we know that the position of octahedral void is nothing but at all edge center as well as at the body center. And also at the body center in both the cube. One important thing is that when we connect this blue sphere with another blue sphere, we will get dramatically different arrangement of sphere. You can see that. In this structure, you can see that all corner atoms is nothing but a sodium, that is sodium ions are present at all corners, as well as if it is a new cube, that is red cube, then you can say that at the phase center sodium plus ions also present. That means in a new red cube the statement is totally reverse. That means you can say that whatever the statement is given in questions, this new cube is following that statement. That is, the position of sodium plus and Cl minus are interchanged. At all corners, only sodium plus ions are present in new cube, and at all edge center Cl minus ions are present. It means whatever the question is given, this new diagram following only that statement. But the important thing is that for this we did not change the structure. Only we connected all these new atoms, that is all these blue atoms, with one another, and we will get this new cube that is in red color. You can see that at the edge center here chloride ion is present, as well as at the body center. This is a body center atom with respect to this red cube. While in previous statement Cl minus that is present in CCP lattice, while in this red cube Cl minus that is present at the edge center, that means at the octahedral void. And if Cl minus is present at the octahedral void, it means its coordination number will not change. Coordination number remains same as previous. So on the basis of this analysis, we can say that the structure of the lattice will not change. So the correct option is A. Thank you for watching this video.